Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into another video on my channel. So today we're going to talk about fermented rice water. Okay, so I've actually had this water sitting here for about 4 days. They say you only have to do it to 24 to 48 hours. Some people I've heard have done it for 3 days, but so I think mine has been sitting for about 3-4 days now. I just want to try this rice water challenge because in research of women doing it for their hair growth, I've seen people doing it for their face. I have some breakouts right here, pretty bad, and then some more over here. My face as a whole, I'll say is okay. I mean, there's a bit of texture on my face. It's not completely smooth, but I feel like this right now is my main problem area. Then over here, I mean, it's okay. No big deal, but this major breakout. So hopefully it works. I usually have pretty smooth skin, but I've seen in the last maybe 2-3 weeks, I've been breaking out more and more. And I think it's due to stress, honestly. As much as I like to feel that I'm not stressed or don't get stressed or don't need that stress in my life, it's in my life. And especially right now, you know, with these uncertain times. And yeah, I think that's where it came from. I wish I had a spray bottle that looked like this, but I got these out of a little travel kit that I had. And I'm going to transfer the rice water into this so it's just easy to dab onto my face. Moment of truth. People say this thing smells disgusting. Whew. They ain't lying. Oh my gosh. Hopefully it's not too late. I heard of a tip to add essential oils, but I totally forgot and I didn't want to open it and mess up the fermenting process. I'm about to add that right now. Alright, so I got some lemon zest essential oil. It smells so good. Put a lot in. Oh my gosh, that smells so bad. It should not smell this bad. Okay, I'm just gonna, hopefully it takes that smell away. Oh my goodness. Yikes. All right, day 1. I made it to day 10. Yes. So good news. The smell did get better. The lemon zest oil actually helped. And you do get kind of used to it. It only stays around for like 5 minutes or so until your face dries up. So that's the good news. So this is day 10. I'm just patting my face down for the last time with the essential oil. And then I will show you all side-by-side results at the end. So stay tuned. Since I didn't cover the benefits in the beginning, I just wanted to go over the benefits now in case you're wondering why am I using rice water or why you should try it out. So it's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that are essential for maintaining healthy, vibrant skin. The properties in rice water are supposed to tighten up the skin and minimize pores, keeping it smooth and bright. It's supposed to be good for acne because it acts as an astringent, which helps prevent future breakouts. and it's supposed to reduce redness of the skin. And also, it's just super natural, obviously, something you don't have to go out and buy in the store, and something you can make for yourself. And these are my honest to God results. All right, so this side of my face, it looks pretty smooth. However, it didn't really start out too bad. But I have developed another pretty big outbreak on my chin, and then this side of my face. It looks like some of the blemishes may have minimized. However, it didn't have a huge effect on my face like I wanted it to. So I'm going to come back and give you guys a 30-day update to this video. Let me know below if you tried this before, if you have any tips or tricks, and if this worked for you or didn't work, so I know maybe that I'm not alone. All right, bye.